Welcome. Ever wondered when your Instagram account was actually created? Maybe you're just curious, or perhaps you need the date for an important reason. Whatever your motivation, Instagram doesn't make this information obvious, but there's a way to find it, and I'll walk you through every step. First, open Instagram on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your main profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Now, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, the hamburger menu. Tap that. It's your gateway to Instagram's deeper settings and features. After tapping the menu, scroll down a bit until you find an option labeled Your Activity. Tap that. This section is packed with insights about your account, but we're focusing on just one thing today. Inside your activity, keep scrolling until you spot Account History. Tap it. This area keeps a detailed log of changes and updates to your account, which is exactly where we'll find the information we need. Once you're in Account History, look for a filter option, usually at the top of the screen. It might be called Filter by Updated Type or something similar. Tap that filter. You'll see a list of different types of updates, but the one we want is Account Created. Select that option. Once you've chosen it, tap Apply to filter the results. Now, the only event you should see in your account history is the creation date of your Instagram account. That's it. The date you've been searching for will be right there, clear as day. This process is quick, simple, and doesn't require any third-party apps or guesswork. If you ever forget your Instagram account's birthday, just follow these steps and you'll have your answer in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.